Today was the Worldwide Developers Conference and there was so many announcements. For one, iOS 14 is a huge change. As you can see right now, you are seeing the brand new home screen that has all different kinds of widgets now that you can move around and really change the way your home screen looks. And this is the biggest change to the iOS operating system since the beginning. I actually think this change is as big as iOS 7 when the entire operating system was completely redesigned. So this changes everything. As you can see, there are a lot of different options. It's really easy to move around widgets. Super fluid considering this is beta 1. I'm really impressed with this. You can do a lot of different things and just organizing it is going to take some time, to be honest. If you take a look at the weather app now, there's a lot more information. You see the next hour forecast and the air quality. Right now, this seems to be provided by the Weather Channel, but who knows if the next hour forecast is being pulled in from Apple's Dark Sky now. Up next, we have the Fitness app. The Fitness app has a complete new redesign. It's much more easier, much more streamlined. I think that is the theme of iOS 14. Everything is streamlined and much more easier to use. Now let's go into messages. As you can see on the top, now you can actually pin messages to your top. So if you have your contacts that are frequent, you can pin them to the top and you can even see a little chat bubble that shows new messages from them. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Music app. The Music app also sees a new redesign. At the top, you have a new Listen Now tab, and this tab replaces the For You section, and it's very nicely redesigned. You have stations for you, you have playlists that you're most likely to listen to, you have all of your personal mixes, and more. Overall, it's really nicely designed. You also have your replay playlists now. You don't have to go and look for them on the internet. So that's awesome as well. Next up, let's look at Maps. Maps is also brand new. In Maps, you are going to have an option to look at bike paths. Right now, Chicago does not have that, so we do not see that as well. There is options for city guides, but let's see if we can find one right now. Let's look up Chicago and see if we can pull up a new guide. And it doesn't look like there's guides for Chicago yet, but this is beta 1, so let's see what happens as we progress in the beta cycle. Now let's look at Siri. Siri is brand new. It's compact now, which is pretty exciting because Siri used to take up the entire screen. So bringing up Siri brings up Siri on the bottom.
Good afternoon, Premal. How's it going?
How far is the Earth to Mars? Siri takes a little bit longer on this beta, but it shows you information very, very nicely in a new screen. Let's ask another question. How do you ride a bike? So now it brings up direct search results. Let's ask another one. How healthy are avocados? Brings up search results again. There's a lot more features with Siri that I'll be testing in future videos. The fluidness of iOS 14 Beta 1 is actually really impressive. To the left, you still have your widgets. So this video just scraped the surface of iOS 14. I'm really excited to get to test this software more and more and discover new features. So make sure you hit that subscribe down below, as I'm going to be posting more videos in the coming days and months ahead. So get ready for iOS 14. It's a really exciting update, guys. Until next time.